In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email form in Carrd. First, head over to the Carrd homepage in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your sites. Once you're on the main page, click Open Dashboard. This takes you to the place where all your projects live, and it's where you'll choose the site you want to edit. Find the project you want to add an email form to and click it. That opens the site in the Carrd Builder, which is the canvas where you'll make all your changes. With the site open, look for the Add button. Click it to open the element panel, then choose Form. Carrd will drop a default form onto your page so you can start customizing right away. You can drag it where you want and use the sidebar to control its settings. Next, in the form settings, locate the Type dropdown. Click it and select Sign Up. This tells Carrd you want an email capture form rather than a general contact form. Sign Up is ideal when your goal is to collect email addresses for a newsletter, updates, or lead magnet. You'll see the options in the sidebar adjust to match this purpose. Now set what happens after someone submits the form. Under the Completion or Action section, you can choose to show a custom success message or redirect visitors to a thank you page. A simple, friendly confirmation message works great, something that clearly tells the visitor their submission worked and what to expect next. If you already have a dedicated thank you page, the redirect option can help you track conversions and deliver bonus content. Switch to the Fields tab to adjust the inputs. For a clean sign-up, consider keeping just email or add name if you plan to personalize messages. Update labels and placeholders to be clear and concise, and mark required fields where appropriate. Shorter forms generally convert better, so include only what you truly need. Then open the Appearance tab to dial in alignment, spacing, and typography. Match the form's fonts and colors to your site style, and make sure the button stands out with readable text and good contrast. You can tweak corner radius, padding, and alignment so the form feels integrated with the rest of your design. When you're happy with everything, click Done to apply your changes in the builder. From here, continue editing your page as needed, and when you're ready, save and publish so visitors can start signing up. That's it. Your email form is now live in Carrd.